Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be break down what people mean when they say AI broke the reality filter. It sounds dramatic, but it refers to something specific about how the AI models think and why some AI responses can feel bizarre or unreal. So let's explain it clearly in terms. So first of all, we have this article from engaged.com. In it, they have basically talked about the reality filter. So you can just go ahead and check this out. So first of all, let's just understand what is reality filter. So in a human brain, this is the system that keeps the thoughts grounded in the real world facts and the logics. When we think, we compare the ideas to what we know is true, our memory, our senses, and the real experience. So this helps us avoid believing the things that are impossible or unessential. Now, AI doesn't actually have a reality filter like humans do. AI models like GPT are trained to predict the text based on the patterns in the massive data sets. So they don't understand the context the way people do. They just calculate what word or the phrase is mostly likely to come next. So when people say AI broke the reality filter, they are pointing out this key limitation. The model can generate the responses that look coherent but aren't grounded in the truth or reality because the AI doesn't test the ideas against the experience, logic, or the real world understanding. It can produce the outputs that seem plausible but are actually false, strange, or disconnected from the real facts. So this becomes noticeable when AI is pushed into the areas where logic and the real world context matter, like predicting the future events, explaining the personal motives, or interpreting the physical laws. So without a mechanism that checks the answer against the actual reality, the model can generate the explanations that feel convincing but are essentially fabrications. So why this breaking the reality filter freaking for people? So because AI can sound so confident and fluid that it is very hard to tell when it is wrong. A human reader might interpret the responses as the factual even when it isn't. So to manage this, it is very important to treat AI outputs as the suggestions or drafts and not the guaranteed truth. Always verify the critical information with reliable sources, especially when accuracy matters. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.